There was a little boy who had a bad temper. His dad had to hand him a bag of nails. So every time he loses his temper, he had to hammer one nail into the fence. It was a painstakingly difficult job. On the first day, he hammered 37 nails into the fence because he got angry 37 times. But the good news is that the nail hammering started to decrease. So the second day he hammered less, the third day he hammered less, the fourth day he hammered less, until he finally did not hammer any nail into the fence. He approached his dad and he said, "I have good news. I haven't hammered any nails today into the fence." His dad replied, "Now, that's great news. You have next to pull out one nail for every time you keep your temper under control." Now, the days passed, and he finally approached his dad and said, "Well, I am finally done with all the nails. I pulled all of them because I controlled my temper during the time between the last time I talked to you and now." His dad said, "Now that's great news. Let's walk to the fence." He asked his son to look at the holes in the fence. And he said, "Look, my son, the fence will never be the same. When you say things in anger, they leave a scar, just like the holes of the nails that you hammered into the fence. You can put a knife in a man and pull it out. And no matter how many times you say sorry, it wouldn't matter, because the wound is still there." So the moral lesson of the story: don't say bad things in the heat of the moment that you may regret later. Because once you do that, there are a few things in life that when you say them or you do them, you can never take them back.